whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Oh man, my health is just getting worse every day. How's everybody doing this morning, guys? No.
All right, we're in the middle of lunch here.
How's it going? Private show, modern tech, no bruh, doba, curry. Yeah, we really had a lot of good news come in this morning. So, looks like the market is celebrating. I tried to short this market early, and I nuked a couple accounts again. What was that again? Oh, I forgot what those accounts were. Oh yeah, funded next accounts, the 25Ks. I was going with 1 mini. I was trying to short the market. I ended up getting absolutely destroyed. And then I nuked one take profit trader eval. And then everything else is kind of fine. I traded a little bit, and then I was not feeling too well, so I took a couple hours break, and then I came back now. And then I decided to hop on a stream, so I can hang out with the best traders in the house. I've started to excuse me. I've started to copy trade few accounts going forward, especially on the eval accounts. Not necessarily on the funded stage, but yeah, on evals, I've started to copy trade a few accounts at a time, if that's okay for you. Yes, I'm not feeling very well, but I'm all right. I'm still here. I'm surviving, and I'm still trading. So I guess I'm not sick as bad. So now, so I wouldn't talk as much. I mean, the same thing, kind of how I traded last night. So let's come back here into the chart. We broke out, like we completely broke out, right? I mean, let's take a look at the ES here for a moment. But the ES completely broke out, guys. 71, 76 is where we at. And of course, we, wow, I don't know. Well, it's crazy. Oh yeah, so I also did hold on one second. I'm just gonna take one off the table right here.
Order filled.
So what I did this morning is I also did quick, I would say, swing trading on MSTR this morning, and that was on my swing trading account. Yeah, I mean, I made a quick $100 on that. I mean, I exited that trade because we were already up quite a lot. I entered at 163, and then and it went straight up to $171, and so I took my profits and I ran away. Pretty quick $100 trade on that a bad boy, which is great. So I'm just gonna share. I mean, I went to this the kind of day, maybe to celebrate. If you have any swing trading accounts, or if you've got some long-term portfolio, this is probably the moment to celebrate that journey, because every long-term portfolio is looking great unless you're you're in the wrong stocks, right? Like here, today I'm up 3%. It's $1,000. I still have like $10,000 a share overall. Like, sorry, yeah, $10,000 worth of equity position. So I still have $25,000 of cash kind of waiting on the sideline. But I mean, this is trying to see if I can, you know what, we're so up there right now, and I'm only up $1,000. Honestly, I don't know if it's a great thing, but you know, it's but again, it's I've only utilized I would say 25% of the entire cash flow, so we still have that $25,000 just in case the market ends up pulling back pretty hard. I would love to. I don't know if this market's going to do that though, right? Just right in the house. What is going on, brother? All right. So what am I looking for? I mean, we obviously had a chance to break it down today, right? We had a chance here. We have a VWAP here right at 715. We had a chance to break it down all throughout the day, but the bears just couldn't do it, guys. And the market looks extremely strong. So what do I expect? I mean, maybe we end up pulling back down into the VWAP and freak everybody out. And that could be the short-term top, double top. I mean, we got to come up with a double top. I would say, whatever the case may be, I'm still kind of leaning more of a bounce. It just really boils down to how much of a deeper pullback we're gonna get here as we progress into the latter half of the day. Well, we obviously had a chance to kind of pull back pretty hard today. We got a beautiful bounce off that VWAP, guys. I mean, this is a picture perfect looking chart. Absolutely incredible bounce in this market. Incredible. I mean, that's the only word I can use to say how beautiful this chart actually looks for the longs. Anyways, hold on one second, guys. I was supposed to take this off.
Order filled.
All right, took two off the table. I'm
Order
down
filled.
to two now. What is going on, everybody? Josh in the house, the #1 cash trader. Michael Griefby, what is up? Everybody, welcome, guys. Let's try to have some fun here today, this morning. My day has been good and bad both, I think, Josh. I nuked a few accounts again. I keep nuking a few accounts every day, guys. Who's long? What? What are you talking about? Josh is long from 26,100. He definitely had. Oh man, really? He definitely had some balls, I guess. Longs only, guys, man. Longs only, guys. I never learned. I don't know where I'm gonna. You know, as you get older, I'm not saying I'm old. I'm only 17, but as you get older, I think it's really hard to kind of realize your mistake. I'm constantly trying to short the market on a like, you know, when the market obviously opens, I'm looking for short entries. You know, my short entry was actually nice. And the only problem is I went in a little bit early, right? Because at the end of the day, even of a big start, like right at the open here, guys, at 7:30, we went up. Actually, no, yeah, right at the start we were here. We ended up pulling back into the VWAP. My only problem is I went in short a little bit too early, and I got squeezed out. And then it obviously ended up pulling back, and that's just what it was.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just long, everybody. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do now. I'm gonna long every freaking time. StockTiger, the Pema Bull going forward.
Order filled.
I'm so mad at shorts. All right, so are we going to get a pullback? You know, I kind of like this. The way it kind of got a bounce off that EMA 856. So I'm looking for a bit of a balance, guys. At least back into the 890. I'm looking for a quick scalp here. Let's see if we have what it takes to get a quick bounce into the 90. I do have a payout coming in soon here for Lucid. Oh, and by the way, I nuked trading file as well. Yeah, I'm trying to shut the market. Incredible. I hate myself sometimes, guys. It's okay. We'll try to make it everything back through a lot more payouts in the next few days, guys. Oh dear.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I went long again. I added full size now. Looks kind of weak. Let's see if we can get a bit of a bounce, guys. I've got a lot of limit orders placed, as you guys can see. Lots. I don't even know how many, probably about 15. So if we could just get a couple points pump, hopefully we can get something out of this, guys. I'm looking for 10 points, not even 10 points really, right? It's just pretty much, I would say about 8 points. Because we are right now sitting at about 878. Well, no, I lied. I'm looking for 10 points pump. My stop here would be somewhere in that 850. I would say this is where my stop's gonna be. So I'm just gonna leave it there just to remind myself that I've got to get out of my trade just in case we end up pulling back. I like to, yeah, man, I'm really looking for a quick pop here if I can. Everything is long. Yeah, that's right. I mean, we could also get a dump right here right now as well. We'll see. Oh my god. Are we gonna get a quick dump here? I mean, we gotta grab more liquidity right at some point. I'm just not sure if we have what it takes to we probably need to grab more liquidity down probably in that 840s maybe. You see, maybe I'm still thinking we get just a little more bounce maybe. Oh my god. It is tricky, guys. We could also flush down as well pretty quickly, so I'm gonna have to keep my hawk eye. Watch this thing, just make sure he doesn't dump against me, right? We're having a bit of a tough time, guys, trying to break out of this. Alright, I'm gonna hold it. I'll get rid of this. I'm gonna hold it, guys. Not a good entry, but oh my god, look at that. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to trade my other accounts side by side. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is trying to do. We're kind of overextended to the upside, so I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting pulled. I'm just not. Do I exit my trade right here, or do I just kind of just hold it and you know, just try to take a little bit of a risk here? I'm gonna get. If we pull back, we could probably get a pullback that's gonna look like this, right? So, I know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop now. It looks a little dumpy. Maybe a pullback here into... It will be a problem, of course, if we end up pulling back into the 8. Yeah, I mean, anyways, this account will not be able to survive if we end up pulling back into the key level of support. That's down into, I would say 800 is a key level, right? We also got a nice little bounce off that 800 though. We'll see if we can actually hold this. Not looking that good at the moment, guys. All right, I'm gonna it's a slow little grind to the downside, of course, right now. Man, I just gave back $800. Something wasn't feeling good about this. Still hold it. I already have 19 call. I'm fully loaded right now, so that's the max it can go on your funded accounts. Yeah, this is just definitely my fault. Looking for that bit of a squeeze that could have maybe potentially. I mean, sometimes I don't understand, like, you know, every time you look for 10 points, you just never get it. You know, it goes against you. Yeah, it's a bad entry, I get it, but, you know what I mean? 10 points, I mean, you can still move. I mean, look at how much of a market pump we had in this. I mean, it's very easy. 10 points is nothing. All right, let me just exit this trade with the Apex one. I know at least let me just get out at 140 bucks negative. Let's just put our attention back into the listed account. I'm just not sure. We are right at the edge. I can always re-enter on that Apex account, not a problem. What I like to do here is I wanted to downsize my position. Kind of feel like 19 contracts is a bit too much. Just in case we end up dumping down, I want to be able to survive the trade. With 19 contracts, I think that's going to be a bit too much. We'll see. I'm gonna have to take some off right here. Are we pumping? I'm gonna take some off, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
Down to
filled.
8
Order
contracts.
filled. Order
Down to
filled.
8
Order
contracts,
filled.
guys, and then we'll see now. I think 8 contracts. I should be able to hold on to this just in case we end up pulling back. I've got $2,600 of what do you call this? A drawdown. So just in case we end up pulling back. Now I feel very comfortable to try to hold this. So we have a major key support, of course, as you guys can see here. Here. You got support here. We had a resistance there, and that started to act as a major support. So I kind of wonder if we are going to end up pulling back. Maybe we could end up pulling back into this level, but this level could, I think we probably end up holding that level, and we kind of squeeze even more. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna try to be a little patient, and then we'll try to see if we can actually get to I want to get this account above buffer. And that's ultimately my goal, and see if that is going to be something we can do today. And did I trade my no, I didn't trade my take profit trader accounts. No. Yeah, I've got a whole bunch of pro accounts kind of waiting right now. It's not here on the screen because they're all passed, so it's not here right now. I'll probably have about 3 now. So maybe on the weekend, over the weekend, we have 3 pro accounts activated, and then we have obviously the rest of the other evals to kind of work with too as well. I've passed a whole bunch here as well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty much 4 passed. So we should have some backups as well on top of you know, whatever it gets activated on the weekend. I'm holding, guys. We'll see how this thing plays out. Ooh. Oh, the trade day accounts, you gotta trade for 5 days. So trade day accounts, you gotta trade for 5 days. ARH, you blew 5 accounts. Yeah, so I mean, I think anybody trying to short this market today definitely got some big fat red, including myself this morning. I nuked a few accounts. So you're not alone, brother. You're not alone. Yeah, I mean, it's always nice to scale down. I mean, I understand the reason why I find it difficult to, you know, try to downsize my position. I understand that because it's gonna take me longer to get to a payout. You know what I mean? I get it, you know, but it's tough to do that sometimes, you know. And then on top of that, of course, I'm not finding good entries, so that's making things even worse. Just like right now, guys. I mean, you saw me. I've entered 874. I mean, this is a bad example, but I'm just saying. So anyways, guys, we are pulling back here. I don't know what this market is trying to do, but it doesn't look very fancy. I might try to exit this trade right here, guys. Maybe. Let's try. I'll exit this trade. Oh my god, what a perfect
Order
exit,
filled.
guys. Holy macchino, man. Guys, we are breaking down. We are breaking down here. Fellow traders, guys, we got some problem. What?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like that. I've seen this plenty of times over and again, getting a bounce of this level.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like this, guys. I don't like this at all right now. This just kind of feels like a bit of a trap here. This is a bit of a trap. I mean, this certainly could have been a bit of a trap to take everybody out. Probably ended up grabbing more liquidity in that zone, maybe. I don't know. I've got 12 contracts, so I got $2,000 to draw down, so I should be okay to survive this. But I mean, I'm gonna get mad if he ends up just getting a bounce back into 890 area. I just should have went long, I guess, at that level around 800. We'll see. Oh my god, look at that pullback there. Nasty little bad boy. Oh, give me that little wonky pullback. Let's get down. Oh, nasty, nasty. I'm gonna hold on to this. See if we could actually pull back into 800 retest maybe. Let's hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. Gotta just downsize a little bit though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm holding this right now. Well, I literally just gave back like $400 on that dump, right? So actually no, yeah, that's right, yeah. I lost, I had to give back $300. Hey, thanks Corey for your donation, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, Corey.
Order filled.
That was a pretty hefty dump there. I mean, it's just merely how many points? Like a 50 points pullback, but even then, and that 50 points was actually like, it was a quick snap though. Just went down like pretty quickly there on the single bar dump. It is, yeah, it is tough to trade, but I mean, you know, we gotta find a way to trade well in any market, you know, situations. I guess the last couple days was a classic example. If we did well in this last couple days, I think you know, we definitely did. I think there's no other market's gonna be able to, you know, that you cannot manage. This is definitely like it sounds easy because you're kind of very bullish overall in the market, and the market bouncing 500 points, like, and there's no pullback straight up, and it sounds easy, but if you're trying to short the market and if you're trying to time the short, that's where things become really become a big problem. And right here for me as well, so it's just the timing, right? So I'm trying to short here, but this could be just merely trying to grab more liquidity down into the 800 area, and next thing you know, it just keeps bouncing. And all throughout the day, that's what it's always been. Well, we got a little bit of a deeper pullback here, but now that obviously ended up getting bought. So this could be a little bit of a different one too. I mean, we're all like hoping that this could be a little different one, but you know what the thing is though, we have not cracked underneath 800, and we have not tried to retest this 800 as well. So this is what I'm going to be looking for. Technically, I should have gone long, short on a pullback into breaking underneath that 800 area, but I didn't do that. All right, so far the market trying to hold. Let's see if we get a bounce of this level. Okay, so 840, we got a bit of rejection of that EMA. 848. Alright, so far we're chopping in the range bound. Let me just take a look. We tried to, maybe we try to pull back just a little more, guys. Maybe I'm just gonna look for 800 as a final target, 800 area, and that's it. I think if I'm trying to short this market, I've got to make it very quick. I think that's the idea, because I don't want to get caught on the wrong side. And you know, trying to short this market obviously is a difficult challenge because the market is very bullish. So even if it looks like it's gonna dump, we could just get a quick pop to the upside that's gonna catch you off guard, and then next thing you know, you're down a lot, and you get mad and you're like trying to scale into your trade, and then all of a sudden you're down even more. And it's like things can go out of control pretty quickly, right? So so I'm gonna try to hold this, guys. My exit will be right at about initial high. Final target would be into the 800, guys, and that's it. I'll see how this thing plays out, everybody. Welcome, guys. Great to see you guys this morning. I hope y'all had a great morning. I hope you guys didn't try to short like StockTiger did. I tried to short this morning, guys. But again, I realized I'm on the wrong side again, and I went too long, and I made some, you know, reasonably you know, decent trades, I would say. Other than the shorts, I was trying to short the market in early morning. All right, so we are getting some kind of a pullback, guys. I mean, I'm still down, well, not down a lot, but I was up. I think I would say $800. I'm still down about $300, guys, to start. So And I haven't traded my Apex account. There's something going on with Rhythmic, I think. Looks like all my PNLs are still the same. I'm still trying to figure out where I've got to put my money into right now. Is it gonna be adding more Apex accounts, or is it gonna be on I don't know. Still haven't figured out the right way. The most optimal.
Order filled.
I'm kind of thinking about trade day, like the $87 trade day. I don't know. Trade day is pretty much the same thing as Stay Prop Trader. Like, you got to trade for 5 days, right? So
Order
all right,
filled.
so we are getting a bit of a break to the downside, guys, which is great. Hold on one second, I'm just gonna move. Looks like we may try to flush this down. Let's see if we have a bit of a chance of a push down, guys. We'll see. I'm holding, guys. And that almost kind of feels like I've got a good entry. 841. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is definitely looks like a tough level to try to long here, guys. Holy mochaccino pullback. Yeah, this is definitely a nice little unagi pullback here. Looks really nice. Let's see if we wow. Keeps going, guys.
Order filled. 3
more contracts here. Final take profit. Getting pretty close right now for me. All right, there we go. There we go. One more.
Order filled.
All right. So we had a nice little unagi pullback. Now I'm going to be looking for a sushi bounce. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna dump? Are we actually going to dump, guys? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go grab a round of coffee, guys. What do you think? I'm gonna go grab a round of coffee. I know I'm not feeling well, but even then, I can't miss a day without coffee, guys. I just can't do that, right? So I'm gonna be back in about 2 minutes with my beautiful coffee in my hands, and we'll try to see if we can bank some more today. But we're gonna try to slay the market, guys, today. That's what we're gonna try to do. I want to slay this market so bad it's not even funny anymore. Hold on. Should I try to long? Alright, guys. I'm going to try to long on my Apex one. Alright, there you go, guys. That's StockTiger. Trying to go long. StockTiger has to get in some kind of a trade. Even if it's 1 micro, that's fine. Incredible, StockTiger. Somehow, magically, I'm in a trade. Even though I'm not feeling that great, I'm still trading. I'll be right back. 1 minute, guys. Aisha, écoutez-moi.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. Oh, you take the feel better again? What will it take to make you feel better again? What will it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Get the picture, I beg to differ. You don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. Staring up at the ceiling, do we lose the plot? Get you in the face with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? We're staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Get you in the face with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding? I wanna know what you know, let it go. Totally out of control. Would you just be fucking honest with yourself? You got it all, you put it on, and so let's get it on. Reaping what you sow. Would you just be fucking honest with yourself? Would you just be fucking honest with yourself? Would you just be fucking honest with yourself?
All right, guys, I'm back. Oh, whoa. What? Uh-oh. I know every time I step away, crazy stuff do happen. Does happen for sure. Incredible. So I really wonder what this dump is all about, though. Oh. The senior Iranian official says significant difference between Iran and US still remains, including on nuclear issues. A serious talk is required. Oh man, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. One day everything is great. One day we have some issues. One day we have a little problem. One day I feel itchy. I'm gonna try to get out, be in 3 contracts, and probably have my stop right there. It is definitely very dangerous, guys. You definitely do not want to be messing with this market right now, for sure. This could literally just blow your account in a matter of a second. Did anybody lose a lot of accounts today? Lost all your 3 what? Lost your 3 pay accounts in Take Profit Trader? Oh, at least you have taken $6,000 payout, guys. And that's great. Was up $600, escaped back to 20, and that was a sign to sign off. Oh yeah. I hear you, bro. Alfred Solowski hit 3 Apex new accounts DLL. Yeah, I hit a lot of DLL last night. Yesterday morning. One eval close to being blown. Oh, one. Andrew Trades. Hey, thanks for being a member, by the way. But one blown, that's eval. But you're up on 2 funded accounts. You gambled your account, it was close to blowing up, and I was like, F it. Then you shorted 20 micro, and boom, caught the dump, and now you're, oh, nice. Nice. Good stuff, man. Yeah, I'm not feeling good at all. I'm feeling horrible. So I'm gonna obviously take this weekend, take a little break, and hopefully I can be back on Sunday, like really fresh. Because I'm definitely very rough right now. I'm trading on my Apex accounts and I'm trading my Lucid right now, and I also got other stuff going on, like Take Profit Trader. Excuse me. All right, so I think first thing first, I want to quickly take a look and see. I don't think I'll be well, I've got to trade I'm gonna trade my eval on my Take Profit Trader here. Like, what would be a better, to try to long on a pullback here or try to short? Now, just really take a look at this. I'm kind of looking at the MACD and the RSI telling me that we may have a bit of a bounce. I'm gonna try to long here. I've got 2 contracts. I'm actually, no, I'm not gonna copy trade this bad boy right now, guys. Ah, man, I'm not sure. I haven't still decided yet what to do on this. Miroski in the house. Miroski. Well, I think it's a long time, Miroski. Is that you, Miroski? From I think it's you from Scooters or something. I'm not sure. Is it you from Scooters? Oh, that's you. Okay. I just wanted to make sure that's you. Great to see you here back again, bro. Great to see you. I hope you're doing great. How's trading journey been for you? I hope everything is great. What potential huge gap down on Sunday morning? You know, I don't even care anymore whether it gets down or get up, to be honest. You know, that's really pointless in trying to figure that out, right? Because anything's going to be possible in this market. We know it's kind of extended way too much to the upside. We know that. And yet, you know, I try to short. I'm oversized and I'm trying to short the market. Like, that's probably the two worst ingredients in a bull market. Because you're going to have to perfectly time the short trade. And number two, you've got to really try to downsize your position when you're trying to short, because you got to give yourself a lot of room, right? Because even if you know like 80%, you have that confidence that it's going to play out, you still have to give yourself a lot of room, because even the pros are going to get nuked if they are trying to oversize their like, you know, their accounts. And I'm here confidently going, okay, well, I'm going to go oversize because I want to get daily payout, and I'm going to short this bad boy right here, right now, with no room for mistake. You know, guess what? That happens, right? That doesn't really usually end very well. I haven't accepted my request in Discord for the giveaway last night. Oh, really? I'll take a look, bro. I did not check my friend requests and all that. We are seeing a little bit of a crack here in the market. And maybe in front of that news from Iran saying there is a significant difference. Now, I want to really try to see, is the market trying to, well, let me just take it back. Is the market trying, well, no, let me take it back again. Oh my God. Is the market trying to take this as an excuse and a perfect reason to take some profits? If you were the bull and if I was the bull, what would I do, right? I think I would be taking profits off the table on my equities, obviously. And yet, if we end up getting a bounce, guys, right here, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna have words to even explain what's going on in this market. Yeah, rewind. Profit taking mostly. Tiger, any other prop firm better than Take Profit Trader for daily payouts that does not have intraday? All right, so I mean, hot tub Mike, I mean, you could probably try Trade Day. Trade Day has end of day, and you also have Tradify. Also, daily payouts on their Flex account. So once you pass that Flex account on Tradify, you have an option to pick a daily payout or what do you call this, or 5 days payout. In my humble opinion, I think, you know, it's, well, yeah. I kind of feel like maybe Tradify is the winner right now as far as the daily payout is concerned. Purely because you're paying about $115 for your end of day drawdown on your funded account. In the meantime, for Take Profit Trader, you're only paying $100, but it's intraday. So if you are comfortable with intraday, then it's totally fine. But if you're not comfortable with intraday, then you Tradify, the $115 on a 50K, that's probably the way to go. Honestly, I've tried both, and I've nuked both as well pretty nicely, but it didn't really make a big difference to me. And I realized that, you know, for me, I probably just better off trade the Take Profit Trader intraday, and then just stick to Take Profit Trader. And then, of course, if I want to you know, have more accounts, and that's when I'm going to be going after Tradify. And now I'm looking at Trade Day as well. But Trade Day for end of day, though, it's I think $125, I think, if I'm not wrong. So $122, right? And you got to trade for 5 days. Whereas the Tradify, I think Tradify is probably the way to go for you, in my opinion, because you only have to trade for 3 days on your flex account, the 50k, and then that's $115 end of day, and you only have to trade for 3 days to pass, and it's in end of day on the funded stage. So yeah, I think that's what I think it is. Yes, Lucid Flex is great. That's what I'm trading right now. But Hot Tub was asking about daily payout, right? Honestly, if you're still struggling as a trader to get payouts, honestly, end of the the daily payout is I think that would probably turn out to be a bigger problem for traders really struggling to get payouts. You know what I mean? I mean, if it was me and I'm struggling to get payouts, I'll probably just stay away from daily payouts altogether, right? And the reason why I'm trading daily payouts accounts is because I have a nice blend of both, right? I have a bunch of accounts that I've got to trade for 8 days. I've got to trade for 5 days. So it's like, why don't I have a small portion of accounts that I can trade and to see if I can get the daily payout? You know, that's the... Oh, guys, we get a nice little bounce, right? Sorry, guys, for yapping there. Yeah, I think Lucid, guys, it's definitely the way to go overall. Honestly, daily payout, I mean, it's great, but I don't think... you know... I don't know, guys. I mean, daily payout is great, especially for me, because I need some kind of payouts in between trading accounts that I need to get payout after 5 days, right? So, like, especially when I'm trading Lucid accounts, I'm gonna have to wait for... I've got to trade for 5 days, right, with minimal profit on it. So during that process, I would like to, I'd like to get to, some kind of payouts that if I work harder today, then I can be rewarded right away. You know what I mean? And this makes me feel good. It's just personal satisfaction kind of a thing. Oh, and yeah, I also bought three accounts. I bought 4 accounts with TopStep. Also bought 4 accounts with TopStep. I traded those this morning. I nuked one, and I got I'm halfway through on the 3. So I will trade TopStep as well, but in a very smaller scale, not like it used to be last year. Because my attention right now would be on Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and I would say I'm trying to use Tradify as my next sort of a focus program for StockTiger. But of course, I've also got Apex as well. We'll see how it goes. I mean, too many accounts, honestly, it's not a great thing. Yeah, I think Lucid is perfect, guys. I mean, honestly, there's nothing wrong with Lucid. I think it's super duper great company, man. They've done some really good stuff. You guys know what they are, but I mean, I'm very grateful that we have Lucid here with us. I mean, a lot of things can change and a lot of things can evolve, like in the profit space, right? A lot of things can change in a day or two, but for now, it's yeah, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. What do I do right now, guys? I'm supposed to be trading. Hold on one second. What the hell are you talking about, StockTiger? Beautiful and all that crap. Get back into your trading mode. Get back into your trading mode right away. All right. I'm gonna trade my stock to break even here, and how much is that gonna be if I try to hold this? I've got to trade this bad boy right here as well. Man.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have a stop here right at the low. Low here. I'm gonna have my stop there. I'm gonna try to go long here. And I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys, on the I don't know. Let's see. I'm looking for a bounce in the market, so we end up pulling back a little bit. You know, I'm gonna try to get a balance. I think that's what I'm gonna be looking for right now. So I've got yeah, so I'm just gonna have to trade one more day to get full payouts on this big dog here. I'm gonna have to take a look and see 1 2 1 2 Okay, still a ways to go. Okay, one more day and I will be requesting a payout on my Lucid account. That's great. Oh my goodness me. You've got to be kidding, guys.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
What
Order
have
filled.
I done here? Always regret once I'm already in.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Come on, pump it up.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Order filled.
Let's go. Push it. Push it. Hadouken. Push it. I may have to trade some. I think Tradify is perfect. You know, I think it's a great alternative to Lucid. So if you've got 5 funded accounts in Lucid, I think it's nice to have Tradify on the sideline right next to your Lucid accounts. Oh, I've got to load in some accounts, by the way. Just kind of thinking. Man, I just can't wrap my head around this. Trying to figure out what is it gonna be. Yeah, I nuked the Tradify daily payout account after trying to. So that's the thing I was trying to say. It doesn't matter whether I'm a trailing or end of day, because at the end of the day, if I'm on the wrong side, I'm gonna get blown. That account's gonna blow whether I like it or not. You know what I mean? So it's like, am I willing to pay extra $40? A lot of people say yes, they're willing to pay an extra money for end of day, but for me, it's like, I don't know, man. I just, you know, if you're on the right side, you know, you're gonna feel the profits anyways along the way. So I don't know. I just kind of feel like trading is just fine. Try the lightning funded. Yeah. All right, so here I am down now. Wow, incredible mochaccino. I think the 25k is a little bit too you know, too much of a less drawdown for me. As much as I would love to trade the Tradify, sorry, not Tradify, but so Tradify is $115 on the end of day drawdown, right? So I don't know. All right, let's see if we get a bit of a bounce, guys. I would love to see a bounce and try to retest the high here at 890 area. That's gonna get me a nice, beautiful trade on this bad boy right now. Give me this nice, beautiful trade going. I'd love to see the bounce, pierce through that, and just get this thing to all-time high again today, guys. Let's remove the shorting off the dictionary and off our system, and this is it. One second. Once again, guys, I'm trying to set something up. In the meantime, the market pulling back here. I'm getting very upset. Ah. Why are you trading late? Not sure. I mean, should I not trade? I hope I didn't upset you. All right, I'm still holding this, guys. I'm still holding, and I like to see a bounce, honestly, of this level. Why should you trade? I don't know. I mean, is there a reason why I shouldn't be trading though? I love trading. It's part of my DNA. And the market will, you know, offer, you know, plenty of opportunities throughout the entire day. It doesn't have to be necessarily the first. I feel like I've done something wrong now, trading at this time of the day. You know, I mean, I trade all day. It doesn't matter. You know, I trade middle of the night, at like 2 o'clock in the morning sometimes. You know, sometimes 6 o'clock in the morning. Like, it depends. I trade all day, like throughout the day. Of course, I also nuke accounts by doing that. But I mean, especially when you're trying to trade at like 2 a.m. in the morning, sometimes, guys, you wake up and you're like, you can't go back to bed. And you're looking at your chart and you're kind of going, okay, well, I want to get into trade. Looks great. Showing opportunity. But apparently that was a fake pullback, right? And then that kind of ruins your night. Anyways. All right, so we're getting a bit of a balance. Let's see if we let's see if we can actually push this thing, bad boy, back into, I would say, 900 area, guys. Let's try to see. I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. We'll see. Even if we end up pulling back here, guys, I'm gonna hold it. See, we'll find out if that was a mistake. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should just take one off the table over here, or maybe not. Hold on one second. If this is gonna end up getting a bounce, I shouldn't have my limit order down into the 831. So. No, I don't listen to BTS song for sure. No, not my thing. Oh my god. Trump is picking tune. Trump, let's go. Let's go. I know you're ignoring me. I know I was supposed to call you last week, and I told you to call me back because I was kind of busy on stream, and yet you never gave me a call back. So I'm kind of disappointed, but it's okay. It's okay as long as you're gonna pump this market right now, okay? So we have a deal. So you pump the market right now. I'm okay with whatever you did. I'm totally okay. So I want to see you pump this market right now. Get it back up to 900, and I'm totally okay for all the mistakes. I need my profits back. So I don't think I'm gonna be. Oh well, I've got to trade the take profit trader, by the way. Oh guys, I almost kind of feels like this market wants to move now. I'm holding this, guys. I'm holding this. I want to see if I can actually get some nice little pump. It is definitely a risky one. I'm holding this, but I'm willing to take a stab. We'll see. Let's see if I'm gonna be down. I got $2,100 drawdown. Kind of feel like 12 contracts, maybe a little too much. I don't know. Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Let's just take it up there. Take it up there, please. I don't think I'm gonna be ever trading direct to funded accounts, at least right now. Don't really see myself doing that. My focus right now for this year is gonna be, you know, like I wanna find a way to, like I want a lot of I mean, at the end of the day, we are looking for good payouts, right? So that's the goal. It's getting harder and harder to get payouts, by the way, with a lot of changes on the PROPFIRM space. But you know, we've been you know, we all adapting, right, to the changes with the rules. So we're gonna get a lot of bumps along the way, but I think we'll figure that out and continue to get a lot of payouts, guys. Made on the flush, nice stack of money. That's great, man. Great to see you do really well on that one. Now the thing is, are we going to dump or are we going to get a pump, guys? I mean, the thing is, you know what I've noticed is that when we get a, I mean, the pumps and the dumps are pretty quick. You know, we kind of consolidate in a very tight range, and we are like moving really fast to the downside both and to the upside as well. So it really does not give you a lot of chance and a time to react, right? So I'm down right now. Oh my god, look at that. This could be a little bit of a problem. But I have not added, don't really intend to add at the moment. I may here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, I may be in
Order
trouble on
filled.
this, man. I may be in trouble, guys. Damn. I may be in trouble on this. We'll see.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled. Order rejected.
Oh man, what was that? I mean, I almost got pretty close to break even, and all of a sudden, it just dumped. This could be a big one, guys. This could be a big one. Let's see if I get a little lucky here, guys. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get lucky. All right. 30 contracts. People taking profits taking place right now. Oh my god. Shit. We'll see.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Fuck.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading from you? I can't say it, I hate the truth. Boy.
Oh, I'm not sure. I haven't decided what I want to do with this right now. I mean, I was pretty close to break even twice. Just wouldn't get above my entry. Just wouldn't do that. We'll see how this thing plays out. Man, looks weak, but who knows? We could get a nice little snap here too. We got a bit of a minor support here, so we got an EMA as well, sitting right underneath where we're at right now. So we'll see if you flush through that. Oh my god, look at that! Fuck me. Come on, man. Don't do that, you It looks weak, man. Fuck. Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Really struggling with this crazy account. I did take 10 contracts off the table because I wanted to just in case we end up pulling back here deeper, at least I should be able to survive. You know, that's the whole idea, even though I'm down still. So downsizing is always good. I mean, even if it's a little late, it's never too late, right? So just trying to manage, that's all. Yeah, I should have taken my profits, I agree. But I mean, that's on hindsight. But I mean, let's say if the market ended up getting a bounce to 890, I would have said, okay, well, great that I've held my trade. But I mean, it would have been nice by, I guess, maybe downsized. Well, whatever, guys. I mean, stuff like this is gonna happen no matter what you try to do. You know, at the end of the day, it's we're just gonna have to just trade. God, man, this just keeps dumping here, guys. I don't know what to do here. Kind of getting stuck in this bad boy right here. Looks like we are going to dump. I think we just got a little more dump to do here. I just don't think this account's gonna survive though. That's the problem. I only have, oh my god, I only have $100. There we go. It's gonna go now. Fuck me. What a fucking waste. Like, you really had to find a way to just break it down like that. Incredible. Ah, fucking hate myself sometimes. Oh, F you, market. Just take me down with it. Please, just take me down. I'm okay. I don't feel bad. Just take me down right now. Just take me down. Take me down. Don't worry about me. Just take me down. Blow me now. Let's go. Don't pump. I want you taken down. Dump it. Dump 5,000 points. Let's go right now. Come on, dump. Dump it. Let's go.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic.
I mean, at some point, I think maybe we get a bounce, but I mean, I thought the thing is how deep of a pullback we're gonna get, and that's really gonna. I mean, this all these accounts that we are trading right now, it really boils down to how deep of a pullback we get into, and of course the account, my position sizing too. So I was heavy. I had 30 micro contracts by the time it was said and done, and then the market got not a. I don't think this is a deep pullback, just a, you know, just a regular casual minor pullback. At least so far, the deep pullback would be right underneath the VWAP, and that would be in the low 700s maybe. And let's see, guys, if we are trying to get a bounce right here, or do we end up pulling back. I want you to pull back, please. I want you to take me down with you. Take me down. I want to be down today. Just take me down. No, don't pump. I need you to take me down. Down we go, please. I'm not even gonna take a look and see how much drawdown I've got right now. It's gonna be scary, and I'm gonna get shaken out. Alright, because I'm gonna have to downsize even more off this bounce, guys. Any bump, let's go. I'm gonna downsize.
Order filled.
I'm taking more off the table because I've got to, right? I want to be able to downsize. Technically, I should have done that earlier, but This looks pretty, guys, man, this market looks a bit heavy. I don't know, man. I don't know if we have what it takes to get a balance today. Maybe this could be the short-term high. Fuck. There goes the pullback. Fuck.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Rejected.
Order
Alright, guys,
rejected.
let's blow this account.
Order rejected.
Fucking pissed. Holy shit.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck. Pull back. There we go. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, we got a VWAP at 738 area, so that's where I'm kind of looking at right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Because down to
Order
down to
filled.
6
Order
contracts, and I'm
filled.
holding this. Oh! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh!
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
아, 진짜 돌아버리겠네.
Order filled.
Fucking fuck. All this mess was just incredible.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to long on a pullback here. We got a pivot here and an EMA as well, so we may get a bit of a rejection. But the market seems to still buy on this pullback still. I'm gonna try to long on this pullback and see, but probably end up with 10 micro at most and about 783 area. Ah, fuck me, man. What a mess, guys. What a mess. Just really find a way to mess it up completely. Oh,
Order filled.
there it goes at the pullback. I'm gonna look for pullbacks here to be a viable opportunity. You should make the stream shorter. I don't stream as much though. My streams are barely like two hours usually during the Globex. Okay, so let's look for a bit of a pullback here. Let's see, I'm gonna be looking for 760 area, and I'd like to try to long at that level. We had a chance to really pull back here, but the market ended up holding nicely, so we'll try to be a little patient. I wonder if you're gonna get a pullback before we start to get a bounce. This almost kind of feels like this here. A little bit of a bounce, and then we get a nasty pullback here in the market. You know, that's what I'm kind of looking for. Well, not what I'm looking for. That's what I kind of feel like this market may try to do. I don't know. I don't want to add here. Don't think there'll be any major move until close. Oh yeah, until it seems like we are stuck between the 830 to 750 area.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Come on, push. I only have I only have $900 drawdown, so I don't trade London session, unfortunately, Mr. Anyong. Anyong? Anyong, huh? Are you Korean? Ooh, I like that. Mr. Anyong, I like that. I like your name. Alright, let's see if I can actually downsize a little more here. Down to 7 contracts. I'm gonna get rid of this limit orders, guys. There's no point in doing that. And I'm gonna move my stop to break even here, just so you know. I'm gonna be taking one more off the table right here. No. That's not part of our agreement. That's not definitely part of our agreement. I need you to bounce. I've only got 7 contracts. I can hold this, but I mean, I would prefer to see a bounce. I'm just gonna leave my stop there just in case. Come on, just keep pushing. Let's go. Be nice to StockTiger on Friday afternoon. You know I'm not feeling well today, so be nice. Don't be so mean. You little wee. Pump it. Pump it. Let's go. Come on. Everybody's watching. Yeah, I don't know what to do here, guys. I moved my stop. Like, I left my stop there at the break even, but you know, I kind of feel like this is gonna stop me out and just go higher again. All right, I'm gonna take one more off. I'll be down to 5. All right, down to 5 contracts, man, whatever.
Order filled.
All right, that's it. Let's see if I can actually a nice little break to the upside, guys, and I think I should be golden. I've got 5 contracts, so I can move my stop now back into, I would say, 770, and then try to go long on a pullbacks, kind of add to my position, kind of a thing, and then we'll see what happens now. Let's go, everybody. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here with StockTiger this morning. Investor Gospel, what is going on, man? Ahmed Hussein, salam alaikum. Min-Max Infinity in the house. 12 back. Wow, long time no see. 12 back in the house, guys. Whoo, baby. I good. It's a nice, relaxing weekend. Definitely, I definitely do need a relaxing weekend for sure. But I'm still here, guys. I'm still live. Trying to trade, make some good trades. All right, so let's try to see if we can actually get a nice little squeezy move into the power hour. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the power hour. I'm still holding, and you know, the only problem is I don't want to add any more here because I don't want to be down just in case we end up pulling back, right? So, you know, I'm just a little nervous about what if we end up pulling back here? Am I going to be able to survive this trade? Not just this trade, but I mean the account itself, right? I was down to like $50 of drawdown on this. How about a gold trade? No, Chris Aspire, we got better things to trade. I mean, I don't know. I mean, a lot of you guys love trading gold, but I mean, I'm looking for consistency. You know, I'm not looking for one-off. Like, few, you know, 1 week out of 4 weeks, you trade gold because the gold is moving, but the rest of the other weeks are gonna be pretty slow. So I want to try to stay consistent trading one instrument that's going to be NQ, and really that's all we really need in my opinion. I mean, you could probably end up banking a lot trading gold, but it's I don't know how, like, I don't know if you could be consistent trading gold. I don't know, and that's just my thinking. That's my thought process. That's why I want to continue with NQ, you know. Because my goal here is not to be good in 1 month, for 1 month, and then all of a sudden the rest of the other months are like kind of down a lot. I want to be consistently, say, you know, I don't want too much up and down to my trading journey between now through the end of the year, right? So if I want to be consistent, I do believe that I've got to be sticking to what I know and what I think is right, and that's the NQ and MNQ, of course. But we're gonna be watching crude oil and gold to kind of see what we can kind of expect from NQ based on how gold and crude oil moves. And of course, we got events like, you know, right now we got war going on, and of course, crude oil becomes a very important part of the overall market. So, all right, so here, guys, we are not able to get above this. I should have, not I should have again. Was I supposed to take profit here and just kind of wait for a bigger pullback down? I don't know. I would like to say that you know, I think we may have found some kind of a bottom here cautiously, and if I'm wrong, then of course we're gonna end up pulling back. But I just kind of feel like, you know, we are trying to break out. We'll see. Let's see if this market has what it takes to try to get a bounce. The volume's kind of dead right now, so that's what bothers me a little bit. And the RSI pretty extended to the upside as well. We'll see, guys. Who knows? I think we get a bit of a fake, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We got. I want to draw a little support, trendline support. So we got a trendline support. Maybe we try to break down into this, and we try to break out finally. So anything. I mean, as long as we stay above, I think 7. I would say. Well. I would say as long as we stay above 750, I think we should be. Yeah, 750. I think I should be fine. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna really try to see if this plays out. And if it doesn't do that, then I guess I'm gonna have to exit my trade. But well, I guess I think this account's gonna get blown if I mean, I'm not even gonna have a hard stop here at this point, guys. I mean, no point. So there it is. There it is, guys. We'll see if we can actually get a nice little break to the upside. Right? So we're getting pretty close to that now. Do we get a bit of a deeper dive pullback here before we start to get a bounce? We'll find out. So I'm down. I do have, I think, about $900. I've got a little less than $1,000 of drawdowns, so. This almost kind of feels like down. Are we trying to trail down here? All right, as much as I feel like it's going to dump, we had a chance here. The bears had a chance here. Bears had a chance here. Are we gonna finally break it to the downside? I don't know. I'm gonna hold this long. Let's see what happens right now, guys. And I've got to be trading other accounts as well. I haven't traded a Rhythmic just yet. Are you guys having trouble with Rhythmic? It does look like their dashboard's not getting updated or something like that. It's kind of choppy in the range. Oh no, Emmanuel, bro. Yeah, I mean that's it's tough. I um yeah, it's tough. Rhythmic is all messed up. Yeah, that's what I kind of feel like it is. Don Dula, what is going on, brother? Yuhan, you tilted in the same area. Yeah. I mean, I could add here. I'm just like, you know what? I'm just not sure if I want to be adding that. I really somehow managed to get out of this blowing this funded account. I almost did ended up blowing this account. Somehow managed to get out. Now I'm trying to see what we could expect from this market moving into the power hour. We got 50 more minutes, and I'm still kind of leaning higher, but the only catch is, are we gonna try to give us a flush down before we try to get a bounce, or are we gonna range bound? You know what I mean? Or do we just literally dump all the way down and break all the support levels and freak everybody out? And that's when, you know what, it's Friday afternoon, you know, so we could kind of try to expect to see a pullback in the market too. I agree. But you know what? We held this area really nicely, though. You know what I mean? That's what kind of makes me feel like, you know, maybe we don't have that sort of a pullback. We'll see. Like, we held this area really nicely, right? This area. So I don't know. And we're also getting some conflicting news, of course, from Middle East, and yet the market somehow found a way to hold. I am still holding. All right, I'm patiently waiting, guys. Patiently waiting. Let's see what sort of the reaction we get off that trend line support. So the bottom end of this trend line, of course, we tapped twice, and so I'm looking for maybe a third attempt to kind of makes sense. We tapped here as well, so. I still like it to the upside. You know, we had a chance to break it down. We haven't broken the structure. It's still higher low, right? I just really kind of feel like the structure is still building for the upside. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, as long as we hold the 750 area, I think we should be fine. We'll see if we get a bit of a pullback, and with that hold, that could be the short-term bottom. We've flexed back up, and we're back to high again. We'll see. All right, guys, I'm gonna be betting on that side of the trade for today, and this is gonna be an important one because this is the funded account that's counting as a day. And oh, this is also a payout day too. In 2 days. I hope I ain't gonna blow this account. Really, that's gonna be a big problem. Well, not a big problem, but I mean it's not gonna end well. So 790 areas where we at. We're getting a bit of a pullback.
Order
Oh
filled.
dear. Guys, 1 second. We are getting a deep dive pullback now. Incredible. All right, big level.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Alright guys, it went long. Added some more. Let's see if we have what it takes to get a bit of a bounce, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm down to 11
Order filled.
contracts here. So we obviously we broke underneath a key level and we're trying to get a bounce back into that level again. So I think it's gonna kind of be very important that we try to get a bounce off this level, guys. I think we got to get out of this area. This 800 area seems to be a major level. So let's see if we have what it takes to get a bounce off that level here, or we just flush it down. So I am in this trade. I've got 11 contracts and I'm looking for a bounce above that and see if we can actually pierce through that and get above and try to retest the high. Let's see. I mean, it's kind of murky right now because we are right in that, you know, in the chop zone where we're gonna have to wait and see. We held it, but you know, we could also just end up getting a rejection again. So anything is possible, guys. We'll find out. We are getting a little bit of a volume spike on this bounce that we had, so we'll see. We're into the power hour. 3 more minutes, guys. We'll see what this market brings to the table. We may get a nice little juicy move. Hopefully it's to the upside. You caught that gold trade from 48.01. Nice. $2,000, man. 2 micro? Really? Oh, I don't know. All right, so here we go, guys. Back into the NQ trade. 11 contracts, man. What a struggle. I'm gonna try to take one more off, guys, just in case.
Order
We're right
filled.
at the edge. The pivot right at about 800 area. So we got a lot of resistance at that level. So if we can't get above that right now, then we may in a little trouble. But I mean, this area is going to be very important, guys. Moment of truth. What a perfect timing, guys. Right into the power hour. 2 more minutes into the power hour. And we are right at the edge. So we're going to find out where he wants to go. Hopefully it's not to the downside. Or should I really try to downsize my position before we start to before we get into the power? Yeah, we're right here. We'll see. This is gonna be very important, right? Hopefully this isn't gonna dump. Overnight 4 hours bull flag. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm trading my funded account. Yes, Apex is still 90% off right now. It's ongoing. Come on, don't do that to me right now. We are into the power, guys. The power hour is officially in. How's everybody doing so far? Everybody trading safe? Is all your accounts safe? All right, the initial response is not that great. We are getting a bit of a pullback here. Off for the day, but too much commissions trading micros. Oh, that's right. I mean, if you are belly up, yeah, the commission's gonna eat up pretty quickly. Yeah, that's right. You gotta be up a lot, you know, to you know, to kind of not like. Yeah, the power hour is in now, and the market still chopping the range. And I'm watching this market, guys. Of course, that range 800 area into the 750 is obviously a very important area, and I realized that too. So let's see what this market does. I think the power hour is gonna move. Now the thing is, I mean, usually Friday, I mean, towards the end it dumps, right? Usually that's what it is. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we try to pump now and we dump, or we kind of just consolidate in the range bound for the rest of the day, you know, or we dump and we try to get a bounce. I'm kind of leaning more of a bounce and then maybe kind of consolidate with a bit of a pullback, a minor pullback, after getting a nice little pump, retest the high and kind of chop around with a minor little pullback towards the end of the day, maybe. That's what I'm kind of thinking. But who knows what this market's going to do, guys. Still, there's a lot of strength in the market. A lot of bulls. It's, I don't know. But towards the end of the day, we could see the bulls may try to offload their positions. You know, they may kind of go, okay, well, I don't want to be holding on to, you know, all their profits into this weekend where we could potentially have a ceasefire, the meeting between the US and the Iran officials, right? So, and a lot of things can change over the weekend too, so maybe they want to try to offload some of their profits, maybe. So this could be tricky, guys. This could be tricky. Anything is possible in this market right now, between now through the rest of the day. We still have one more hour. We got final hour, guys. One more hour to go for the market to close. I'm not counting the after the hour. Yeah. I wonder if I have to just get out of this trade first and then kind of wait and see. So far we are getting a bit of a pullback, and at least I have some decent profit. Well, I guess only have $1,100 drawdown. No bueno, guys, no bueno. Well, I've got 10 contracts, so if we end up dumping here, then I'm in trouble, of course. Back into the VO, I'll be in trouble, I think. Not follow through at all. This could be the moment, guys. This could be the one. We'll see what this market does right here. Looks dumpy for now. We'll see if that holds. God, man, what the hell?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Just no juice, hey? No juice for a bounce, guys. I'm down. The power hour is not moving this market, guys, for now. I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding. I've got 10 contracts here. Oh, was it the final dump? I'm not sure if that's a final dump. It looks like a little grind down. I don't know. I just kind of feel like this is just looking for some reasons to just dump right now. Ah, fuck this. I'm out, guys. I'm out. Fuck this, man.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Oh wow, was up $300 on that trade. Never really taken any profits off the table on that one.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And now I can maybe move my stop here. Or maybe not. Oh man, what a chop, guys. Incredible. This is equally as worse as Globex trading. Horrible. Horrible. I've got 8 contracts, so I may be able to hold this, but this market definitely is testing my patience.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to be back to green. That's all I'm looking for. We've got 40 more minutes for this market to close. So far, it's pretty dead. Interesting. I know, David Abu Liman. Oh, we got people looking for this market to dump. Oh, well, I'm trying to go long and you guys are dumping. Oh my god, looking for dump. Incredible. We'll see, guys. I mean, I'm still holding this. I would like to see a nice little move, so I can try to see if I can get it back again. I'm still down a lot, down about $1,000, so I've got to get some kind of a bounce, I think. I'm holding, so maybe hopefully my patience starts to pay off. We'll find out, guys. You know, the fact that we held this area nicely makes me kind of, you know, just keep thinking that we may get a bounce. You know, we try to retest this. We have a bit of a double bottom maybe. But at the same time, we don't have the volume as well, so that kind of bothers me too. So it's kind of 50-50 at this point. Let's see if I get lucky and we end up getting a bounce that could really pierce through this 800 area. We need a strong volume to kind of step in to push this thing back into the 800, right? So let's take a look and see what is happening here. Oh, does anybody know we have some earnings come out right now? Maybe today. What big earnings do we have coming out today? I didn't notice anything, but yeah. Oh man, this price action that we have here, it's very energy draining, right? Really making everybody sick. That's right. So let's see what this market does. I've not been able to trade anything else really. Just trying to survive on this account. Let's see if this market has what it takes to get a bounce or no. It's about time. The moment of truth. Let's see what sort of an explosive move we get. Wow, we got a rejection off that 796, everybody. That's a big problem. Okay, all right. Is that what you want to do? All right, I'm gonna take one more off, guys, just in case.
Order filled.
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading, fading from you? I can't say
Incredible.
I hate the truth, boy.
Looks like it's gonna be hard for me to recover this account. I guess I'm gonna maybe probably just better off just exit this trade right here and not make this account any worse than it is already. Already down about $1,000. Oh my god, I can't believe that. $786 is where we're at right now. I'm looking for a bit of a bounce. We're just not getting any of that. It's kind of chopping here. We got only 30 minutes to go for the market to close. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a bounce, are we? I don't know if being patient is gonna pay off. Looks like we're gonna dump. All right, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. Oh my god.
Order filled.
You know, the thing that I really don't like about this market sometimes is that it's so volatile, and then you kind of get into your trades and you're down about $1,000, and then now you're looking to trade so you can actually get something back, and the market just really does not do anything. Just teasing. Wow. Such a dirty price action right now. Incredible. Yeah, I really hate this price action for sure. For sure, 100%. Oh my god, so upset. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to short the market, guys. I'm gonna try to short the market on a pump.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Do we hold this? I have a feeling we get a pump now that I'm actually shorting the market. Fuck. I don't know if I want to be doing that here. Oh, we got longs now. Oh my god. I'm gonna guys, I'm gonna get mad, really mad if this ends up getting a bounce, and I've been patient for about an hour. So watch. Sir Chen saw, yeah, this is 15-minute chart on the right hand side right now. 15-minute chart, can you see?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Was I just supposed to be patient? Is this going to break out? Looks like we may try to break out of this, guys. Fuck. Incredible. Fucking incredible. Oh, fucking god. Oh, Lord.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
What a garbage, guys. What a garbage.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again?
All right, guys. I'm shorting. I've got my last 8 piece. We could just snap here and just keep going higher, right? So that's why. That's what.
Order filled.
Let's see if we end up holding this, or do we break it down? Yeah, what a ugly price action we are getting here in the last 30 minutes, guys. And somehow I had to get stuck on the trades, unfortunately. So looks like we're trying to hold this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna try to long here. Fuck, man, this press action is really annoying. Eventually this was meant to go higher, and I was kind of, well, 5 minutes away from 5 minutes. Maybe all I had to do was just be patient for about 5 minutes. I don't know, just getting really annoyed. Yeah, should I tilt this account? Not sure. Or I'm gonna have to move to my NQ. I think we could just keep going higher, to be honest, on this.
Order rejected. Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
All right, looks like it's gonna get blown now.
Order rejected.
Oh, there she goes, guys. Too bad. Hey, at least I tried. Or maybe not. Am I live? Holy mochaccino, this is
Order
unreal.
filled.
Well, that unagi pullback was just very short-lived.
Order filled.
Well, looks like we're getting a sushi bounce. That unagi really got killed there, eh? On that pullback. All right. Well, have a nice day, unagi. It was great knowing you. Thanks for saving me. I thought I was dead. I thought I was done. Really. I thought StockTiger was done for the day. Even another day. Well, I kind of survived on that trade, guys. Holy mochaccino, this is unreal. So now the thing is, are we gonna try to get a bounce, guys? I don't know, man. I'm looking for one more push that could potentially try to take us back into, I don't know. Again, that was our target. I was in from here, and I obviously found a way to exit my trade because it was testing my patience. Right, I may have to take my profits off the table right here. If we don't get a pump, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade. I'm gonna move back
Order
to
filled.
NQ, micro NQ, and I'm gonna try to scale into
Order
that
filled.
trade on a pullback. I have enough drawdown on this, so I'm gonna try to hold this. Move my 5 contracts down. Oh, oh no!
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think it looks like the market's trying to get a bounce. I think that's what it's trying to do. So oh, we're getting a bit of a pullback. This could be an opportunity for StockTiger to load in again. Hold on one second. We are 5 minutes away from the algo candle. 1 second, I'll be right back. 1 minute. All right, so what is up with this market, guys? Are we going to try to dump or pump or sideways price action here? I mean, I think today could have been a better day, but I mean, I'm okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna be happy with where I'm at right now, because it could have been a lot worse, right? So the only thing is, are we gonna get a dump, pretty hard dump here?
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I went short again. I went short right here, guys. My stop will be the initial high, and we may try to get something here. Oh, no, what? We're getting an algo candle in about 3 minutes. Oh, I better stay out of this. 3 minutes, guys. Algo candle. Bit of a mistake there. No, that's a bit of a mistake. Damn. I got a little excited there with the dump. I wonder what the algo candle is gonna do here for us.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, guys. I may pay a price for this. I'm still trying to take a stab here. You got 1 more minute for algo, and I want to be really out of this as quickly as I can. Damn. $30 more seconds for the algo. You guys. Oh my god. This mochaccino stretch is unreal. Come on, Unagi. I need you back right now. I need you back here. Unagi, let's go, please. Holy shankers. No. No, I'm sorry. Oh, man. I think it's gonna go. Yeah, looks like a bounce, maybe. Man, Unagi did not really help me out at all here right now, guys. Oh!
Order filled.
Well,
Order
Unagi
filled.
was on
Order
my side
filled.
for once. Holy mochaccino.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow,
Order
incredible,
filled.
guy. I just can't get my freaking account back to good standing here at all. Incredible. Incredible. Do whatever you want.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, I probably have to just leave it at that. You know, I mean, it's nice to be green, but you know, sometimes I think, you know, sometimes it's okay. I'm gonna have to walk away with this. It's too bad, but I'm gonna have to walk away with that, guys. We'll move on. I'm gonna move to my what do you call this? My my Tech Profit Trader account.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't want to trade my Lucid anymore. It's just I just really kind of feel like I'm wasting my time trying to get something back, and it's like I keep getting back and forth. I'm gonna end up blowing that account if I continue to trade that account, right? All right, so let's see what happens. Oh shoot.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna try to short. Shota, let's go. All right, fellow traders, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you guys for being here. We've got a few more minutes for the market close, so I will be here till the market close for another 7 more minutes. Please take a few seconds of your time if you can. Thank you so much, everybody. Oh, I'm not even, well, I'm not counting after hour though. I mean, right? It's hard to trade that after hour. After hours is worse than Globex. Globex is not the worst, by the way. After hour is the worst, and then it's like Globex. I don't usually count after hour, guys. I mean, honestly, I mean, there's really no point. That's like really, it's no point. That's like the worst. And then it's Globex. That's the second worst. You know, I kind of feel like there is a bit of a shift in when the volatility takes place after hour, right? Usually, I kind of feel like, you know, a little bit later at night. At about, I mean, right before London, I think that's when the market starts to move pretty nicely. That's what I kind of noticed. Anyways. I'm still here, Stack Money. Don't leave me alone. I'm gonna feel lonely. Well, we are getting some kind of a bounce. Are we gonna be on a channel range? It almost kind of feels like, you know, we're gonna have a last minute push to the upside, right? We'll keep an eye on this bad boy. Holy mochaccino, I knew something was gonna happen right here. That was a big mochaccino, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Push.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, let's see if we get one more push here to the upside. Oh, no. Don't Oh my god, stop me. Are you kidding me?
Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We got 4 more minutes, guys, in the market. I don't know where it's gonna go. Right now, it looks like we are still holding nicely here within that very tight range. That's 800 to 740. So we'll see. We could get a last minute squeeze that could probably take us up into at least retest the high, right? So we'll see. The market is about to close in about a few minutes, guys, and I hope y'all had a great day so far. This is going to get very exciting, very interesting here, as we are now 2 more minutes away from the market close. So let's see if we get a last minute squeeze, or do we end up getting a dumpage here. I think this is gonna kind of give us some clues. If we squeeze to the upside, guys, I'm looking to be a bear moving into Sunday. If we end up pulling back here, probably a better idea to see a pullback here, you know, kind of a profit taking pullback. You just know what this is gonna do, but I would prefer to see a profit taking pullback, but this doesn't feel like the market is wanting to do that. You know, we got a nice beautiful bounce off that low here, and that's where I'm kind of going. The market's holding. So where did all the sellers go? I have no idea. Probably on a vacation. Where to? Maybe Puerto Rico. And if you went to North Korea, maybe you're never coming back. So it looks like the sellers all disappeared. Donna Aerobics, hey! Yeah. I'm gonna have a good rest on the weekend so I can actually get better. And thank you for YouTube channel. Hey, no problem. It's my honor. It's my pleasure to be here every single night, and sometimes in the morning, like today. I'd love to see a retest here, guys. Thank you, Donna, once again. Let's see what sort of a bounce we get. Or do we end up pulling back here? I'm going to place my stop at the break even here, just in case. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we end up smacking down, take me out, and get a bounce after that, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, so... So last minute squeeze, you know, save the day. Hopefully, let's patiently try to wait and look for that squeeze to the upside. We got, oh, the market's closed, guys. The market is closed. Wow. The market's closed. I didn't realize that. A passionate day trader, forgetting when the market's closing. The market closed about a minute ago. It's done, guys. The time is over. The market's closed now. I hope everybody had a great time today. Hope y'all had a great trades as well today. And the market's closed. We are into the after hour, which obviously I don't think we're going to have any sort of a market move. I'm going to close this trade here. I guess I'm just going to be happy to just count as a day here for me. So kind of a mixed bag. I was down on my Lucid accounts, so I don't know. Oh man, I just wish I am able to trade more often in the mornings too. Just having a bit of a tough time to try to scramble to find time to trade, especially on my computer. This phone trading is really damaging. Very, very unhealthy in my opinion. Phone trading has been a really tough one lately, especially with this sort of market volatility. So yeah, very disruptive but we'll figure something out. We'll try to see if we can actually, you know, find a better solution if I can trade more often in the mornings, especially on my computer. All right, fellow traders, man, it was a great honor, and there was a lot of fun here trading in front of my fellow traders. Friday session comes to an end. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, guys. We got more giveaways coming in on Sunday. Tune in. We'll see you guys back Sunday night. Everybody have a great rest of the week. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Take a good rest. Forget about trading. Don't load in any accounts. Take care, guys. God bless everybody, you and your family. Take care, guys. Peace. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. GG. Let's go. Thank you, everyone. Bye.